Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Mal from the Descendants on Dress to Impress. I'm going to remove everything, hopefully remember it because I did use a lot of items. Then for the bangs I just use this in this color BA4C6F. Position the Y at 0.47. Select this hair too and then rotate these at 2.44 and scale it to 0.55. Then you are going to select this hair, color it the same, rotate the X to 0.6 and scale it to 0.41. So for the outfit, I hope I remember everything. I don't. Sometimes I make these like outfits for tutorials and sometimes I don't remember like how I made them. Select this jacket, no watermelon, and then color it this color, 744464 in denim. Then use this color, 5D493E. Then for the top, I did use a VIP item, but you can replace it with some other top. I just used this one here in the second toggle. Select this color in denim, and then select the same color, but not in denim. And then the rest, I just use this in denim here as well. Then for the skirt, I used this in black, and then I used I think this in denim, and I use this color, like goldish color, 5D493E. Then I also use this in that same color, and then this belt as well in that color. And don't forget to enable the chains, and then color the same but just a little bit lighter like this. Then for the top, I also used this here in that same color, I think, and then I think I did green. Hold on. Okay, I did green for that one, but just like a little bit darker, and then green again. I think I did this, but like just a little bit like darker. I actually don't remember. Sorry. And then I colored the rest that purple. Or I think I did I do the lace? Hold on. Let me see what I did. Okay, I did that one green. Okay, hold on. Okay, I did this green. And then I did green as well here. And then I did purple. Sorry, my bad. I did like this dark purple. There we go. Okay, and next I used these gloves in this color, 2F1B28, and then I used this again, and then this one, and then I used this, then I used that darker color as well. Then I am going to use this in this color, just a little bit like darker though. I did actually use denim, but I made it a little bit lighter like this. Grab these tights in thick and use the fifth toggle. It actually doesn't matter what toggle you use because it doesn't show that much anyways. And then for the shoes, I used a code item. I did use this one in a supports pattern. I think I did like black and then this color here in a foil. Then foil again, I did this. And then I did this again. And that is it. Let me open the one I did. I think it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.